Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily share your location on an iPhone. Let's get started. The first step is to make sure your location service is turned on. To do this, go to your iPhone settings and search for privacy. Tap on it, and you'll find the location services option. Make sure it's toggled on. Next, scroll down and find Share My Location. Enable all the toggle switches associated with it. This will allow you to share your location seamlessly. Now, let's explore different methods to share your iPhone's location. The first method is through the Messages app. Open the app, select the chat with the person you want to share your location with, and tap on their profile name. In the info section, you'll find options like Send My Current Location and Share My Location. Choose Share My Location, and if needed, specify the duration. Then, simply send it. Another way to share your location is through the Contacts app. Open the app, select the contact you want to share your location with, and you'll find an option called Share My Location. Tap on it, select the duration, and send it to them. If you prefer using Google Maps, open the app and wait for the blue mark to point to your current location. Tap on the mark, and a menu will appear. From there, select Share Location. You can then choose to send it directly to recent contacts, or use other messaging apps like WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, or even email. Additionally, you can copy the location link and paste it anywhere you like. Lastly, let's explore sharing your location through WhatsApp, which is both easy and convenient. Open WhatsApp and select the chat where you want to share your location. Tap on the plus sign at the bottom left corner and select Location. You can either share your live location for a specific period or simply choose Send My Current Location. Simply choose Send My Current Location. That's it. Now you know multiple ways to share your location on an iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.